Tractors are an essential piece of agricultural machinery that assist in various tasks such as plowing, tilling, planting, harvesting, and transporting. Tractors are categorized based on their size, purpose, and design. Now we will discuss about the different of the types of tractors commonly used in agriculture. 1. Based on power rating, engine capacity. Tractors can be classified according to their engine power, which is measured in horsepower, HP. A. Small tractors, below 1940 HP. Power range, up to 40 HP. Use, ideal for small farms, vineyards, and orchards. B. Medium tractors, 40 to 100 HP. Power range, 40 HP to 100 HP. Use, versatile machines used in medium-sized farms. They are capable of handling more demanding tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. For example, Massey Ferguson 241, New Holland 3600. C. Large tractors, above 100 HP. Power range, 100 HP and above. Use, suitable for large-scale farming, especially for heavy-duty operations like deep plowing, large-scale harvesting, and pulling heavy equipment. For example, John Deere 7230 Arcase IH Magnum. 2. Based on design. Tractors are also categorized based on their design or configuration. A. Two-wheel drive, 2WD. This tractor only the rear wheels are driven by the engine. Advantages, cheaper and lighter, efficient for light-duty tasks on dry, firm soil. Uses, used in regions where soil is not too soft or wet. Like Mahindra 575, Ford 3600. B. Four-wheel drive, 4WD, tractors. All four wheels are powered by the engine, providing enhanced traction. Advantages, better stability and control in tough soil conditions, muddy or slippery fields, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Uses, suitable for rough terrains and wet fields. Examples, John Deere 5055E New Holland T8.360. C. Track-type tractors, crawler tractors. In this tractor instead of wheels, crawler tractors use continuous tracks, like those of a bulldozer. Advantages, improved traction on soft, muddy, or uneven terrain. These tractors have low ground pressure and are less likely to get stuck. Uses, often used in land preparation, especially in marshy areas or for clearing land. Examples, Caterpillar Challenger, John Deere 8RT. 3. Based on purpose. Tractors can be categorized according to the tasks they are designed to perform. A. Agricultural tractors. These are general-purpose tractors used for a wide range of farming operations like tilling, plowing, sowing, spraying, and harvesting. Examples, Massey Ferguson 5455, John Deere 5050D. B. Utility tractors. Smaller and more compact than general agricultural tractors, designed for light farming and residential use. Examples, Kubota L Series, Mahindra 1533. C. Row crop tractors. Designed to work between crop rows, these tractors have adjustable width to match row spacing. Use, ideal for crop farming, where the tractor needs to pass between rows without damaging crops. Examples, John Deere 7 and New Holland T7. D. Orchard tractors. These are low-profile, narrow tractors designed to fit between the rows of trees in orchards. Uses, specially used for orchards and vineyards for tasks like spraying or mowing. Examples, Fendt 200 Vario, Kubota B2320. E. Special purpose tractors. Description, tractors designed for specific, non-agricultural tasks like construction or forestry. 4. Based on wheel arrangement. The wheel arrangement affects the stability and maneuverability of a tractor. A. Standard tractors. Description, tractors with a typical wheel arrangement used for most general farming applications. Example, John Deere 30380. B. High clearance tractors. B. High clearance tractors are those tractors have an elevated frame and larger wheels, allowing them to work in tall crops like cotton, corn, and vegetables. Uses, often used for row crop farming, where clearance is necessary. Example, John Deere 6M. C. Compact tractors. As indicated by name, smaller tractors designed for tight spaces and lighter tasks. Uses: landscaping, small farm operations, and gardens. Like Kubota BX series. 6. Based on features. Modern tractors come equipped with various advanced features. A. GPS and auto-steering tractors. The tractors use GPS technology to guide the vehicle in the field, ensuring precise planting, spraying, and harvesting. Advantages: increased efficiency, reduced labor, and higher precision. Uses: common in large-scale farms with a focus on precision agriculture. B. Electric and hybrid tractors. Operated by electricity or a combination of electric motors and traditional engines. Advantages: reduced fuel consumption and emissions, quieter operations. Uses: emerging technology for sustainable farming. Conclusion of this lecture is to understanding the different types of tractors is essential for agricultural students as it helps in selecting the right machine for specific farming tasks. These tractors vary in terms of their engine power, design, purpose, transmission system, and special feature. Tractors are an essential piece of agricultural machinery that assist in various tasks such as plowing, tilling, planting, harvesting.